This video covers AFCI technology, a next-generation circuit protection designed to detect and mitigate dangerous arc faults before they ignite residential fires. Arc fault circuit interrupter technology provides advanced protection against dangerous electrical sparks. We begin by understanding the hidden threat of electrical arcing, the main problem this technology addresses. Electrical arcing is a serious hazard in modern homes, posing a significant fire risk. An AFCI is an advanced circuit breaker that detects dangerous electrical arcs to prevent fires. Unlike standard breakers, AFCIs use digital signal processing to recognize the unique signature of a sparking wire. This technology works by identifying the specific electrical characteristics associated with a hazardous arc fault. Electrical fires cause significant damage and loss of life, often due to, quote, silent hazards like damaged insulation, loose connections, or frayed cords that create sparks. The leading causes of electrical fires include damaged insulation, loose electrical connections, and frayed cords. Arc faults occur when electricity jumps a gap, generating intense heat up to 10,000 degrees Fahrenheit. They are categorized as parallel arcs, which occur between two conductors, or series arcs, which occur across a break in a single conductor. Parallel arcs happen between line and neutral, while series arcs happen within a single broken wire. Comparing protection devices, standard breakers handle overload and short circuits but do not detect arcs. GFCIs prevent electrocution from ground faults, but AFCIs are the only devices designed for detecting arcing faults and preventing electrical fires. AFCIs are essential for protecting against the risk of electrical fires caused by arcing faults. Residential fire trend analysis shows a steady decline in fires caused by arcing since the introduction of AFCI requirements in the National Electrical Code. Modern compliance with AFCI technology has demonstrably improved residential fire safety. AFCI technology uses advanced signature analysis or digital fingerprinting to monitor the current waveform at thousands of samples per second, looking for high-frequency noise that indicates an arc. The device analyzes the electrical current wave to identify the unique pattern of an arc fault. Intelligent signal processing uses a microprocessor to run complex algorithms. Filtering logic eliminates nuisance tripping, and high sensitivity enables detection of low-level series arcs. The AFCI's microprocessor distinguishes between harmless operational sparks and dangerous arc faults. National Electrical Code standards, specifically NEC 210.12, have expanded AFCI requirements to nearly all living areas. The shift is towards combination AFCIs, and all units must meet the stringent UL 1699 standard. Compliance includes expanded requirements, mandatory retrofitting in certain cases, and strict UL testing for reliability. The evolution of protection began with the first NEC mandate for bedroom circuits in 1999 and has progressed to universal application in most living spaces today. This technology continues to advance, ensuring safer homes through robust electrical protection.